I have just washed my face and used a lip balm. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray this rose water as a toner on my face. The next thing I'm using is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum for all skin type. This I'm using as a primer to my skin. Next, to moisturize my skin, I'm using this Nivea cream. Now the next step is to apply a sunscreen. So I'm using this Neutrogena with SPF 50+. Now is the time to apply the foundation. So I'm using this Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade number 128 and 322 to get the perfect shade. Now that I have mixed both the foundation to get the perfect shade, I am taking it on my fingers and applying it in dots. Now I am using this beauty blender and just spraying some rose water on it, and then I'll use it on my face just to spread the foundation equally. I'm using this mirror. Exactly my face looks after blending the foundation on my skin. The next thing I'm going to use is this NY base stick, the shade number 3, as a concealer. I'm just creating a V under my under eyes. I really like this stick as it blends very easily and it is very affordable. With the same concealer, I am just concealing the dark spots and the dark areas of my face and blending it with the same beauty blender. From this eyeshadow palette, I am using this brown shade for the base eyeshadow on my eyelids. Now I am using this Savannah Colors Summer Gradual Compact eyeshadow and blushers. So I am using this color on my outer V of the eye. I'm sorry if it is not visible, but I will try to make another video on how to apply an eyeshadow. So I am using the second shade in the center of the eyelids. Now I am using this third shade in the inner corner of my eyes. Same I am going to repeat it on the other eye as well. This is the final result of my eyeshadow that I have applied. Next, I am using this kajal to tighten my lower lash line. Next, I am using this compact powder from Nelf USA. I got this compact in one of the Glamigo box. Next I'm using is this Maybelline Volume Express mascara. Now from the same eyeshadow palette I'm using this brown shade to contour my cheekbones. Instead of using a brush, you can also use a beauty blender to blend the contour line. Next, I'm using this Blue Heaven waterproof eyeliner. I'm sorry if you're unable to see how I'm applying the liner. But if you guys wish to see how to apply eyeliners, I will surely make another video for liners. Now from the same eyeshadow palette, I am using a peach color as a blush. Now from the Savannah palette, using this color to highlight my cheekbones. Finally, I am using this lipstick from Nykaa. It is in the shade number 17M. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to press the bell icon.